See, y'all, something interesting happens when we are busy mill-splaining the military to former military officers who have been to war. It's that we miss important things. It is not true that the military doesn't know how far their force would go against the American public. That is war gamed out all the time. And the number is 8%. If 8% of Americans fight back, the military won't even take that fight because they know they will lose. 8%. And no, I didn't forget about drones or jets. I worked in military aviation. Jets have to land somewhere. They have to get fuel. Their people have to eat. Drones. I wrote a book on drones for the American Army once. Civilians can have drones. Yeah. Revolutionary War pistols can take down drones. We can put sequins in our IEDs. Americans cannot be controlled by force. But this, and not just this person, everybody on response to my video about they can't come for all of us. All of y'all who've never been to war, splaining me that I forgot because it makes you feel comfortable. It allows you to use it as a shutdown, to say there's nothing we can do. Yeah, this is a cult tactic, as ever. There is something you can do. When Americans are ready to die, we'll push back in a way that there's nothing they can do about it. And until then, it's just not as bad as you're saying that it is. Someone came on my page and tried to be like, well, then how come in Iran they're not pushing back? They are, mofo. They have 500 million less guns than us, and they are fighting their government with sticks. And a bunch of them are dying, but they're not being controlled by force very well. It's very, very hard to control people by force. And the American military has a history of losing that fight, even against people way less armed than us. I know this because I fought in that war. So please, stop telling me what's impossible and start thinking about how you're going to push back. If they flew that jet over your city, what would you do? If they flew that drone over your city, what would you do? It's not just boom, jets and drones. Boom, the American military and all its force. The American military is made up of Americans. The American military is specifically built more than any other military in the world so that a tyrant cannot own it from the top and do anything with it, much less turn it on its own people. The government can just kill us all is not a good shutdown, because no, they can't. Fight back. Have a day.